Welcome aboard the stunning Disney Wonder. My name is Taylor, and today we'll be exploring a Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Verandah and covering everything you need to know to prepare for your next cruise. But before booking, be sure to contact the Vacationeer for bonus onboard credit on top of what Disney already offers, in addition to exclusive rates, group cruises, and more. Reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. As you enter the stateroom, you'll find a wall of storage on one side, and on the other you'll see the lighting controls as well as the entrances to the two-door split bathroom configuration. This separates the bathroom areas but provides two sinks, which is a great addition compared to some other cruise line options. The first space features a sink with a backlit mirror and a hair dryer with an integrated two-prong shaver plug. Although storage options are somewhat limited, there's open storage in the corner, under the sink, and below the backlit mirror. The second bathroom space features a shower tub combo with an adjustable shower wand and a good-sized tub for families. The sink area has a second backlit mirror with some open shelving above and below the sink and a second two-prong outlet. Outside the bathroom spaces, you'll find the primary storage for the room. One side features full-length hanging storage, while the opposite side features more hanging storage, the room safe, additional shelving down below, as well as a shelf up top to store other items away. Attached to the wardrobe is a dresser with 6 drawers, perfect for those traveling with packing cubes. Set around the corner is a full-size mirror and the temperature control for the room. The bedroom area features a queen bed topped with a premium plush Eurotop mattress, which sits on an elevated platform with plenty of room to tuck your bags or large items away. The bed is flanked by 2 small side tables, reading lamps, 2 US plugs, and in front of the bed is an additional storage area with drawers and shelves tucked down below. The living room area features a large sofa, Pullman-style bed, as well as a large desk area with additional drawers and open storage. Sleeping up to 4 passengers, you would have 2 on the queen bed, 1 on the couch bed, and 1 on the Pullman. To provide separation for the sleeping areas, this room features a heavy privacy curtain. Across from the couch, there's ample storage, a desk area that doubles as a vanity with a complimentary hairdryer, backlit vanity, and several outlets including a Euro plug, 3 US, 2 combo plugs, and 2 USB. The desk area also includes multiple drawers and a beverage cooler. Set at the edge of the desk is a flat panel smart TV with a wide variety of free on-demand content including Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars movies, along with Disney Channel, Junior shows, ABC, and ESPN. They also provide ship-specific channels with daily schedules, port adventure previews, a bridge cam view, and guest activity highlights. Stepping outside to the veranda, you'll find it's furnished with 2 chairs and a small coffee table. This is the perfect spot to enjoy stunning views and breathtaking sunsets at sea. All verandas on board feature child-proof locks and plexiglass railings and dividers. As we all know, the stateroom is just one part of the onboard experience. With a variety of included entertainment, specialty restaurants, and upgrades, there's something for everyone on board the Disney Wonder. And to help you get more from your cruise, the Vacationeer offers exclusive onboard credit deals that you won't find when booking directly with the cruise line. Contact the Vacationeer today to get the best value in cruising. If you love this tour, we have an absolute treasure trove of Disney Cruise Line videos, high-end resort tours, and incredible Disney vacation content right here on the channel for you to explore. Do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe so you never miss an adventure, and share this video with all your favorite Disney friends who are ready to set sail. This is Taylor with the Vacationeer. Adventure is calling. I'll see you at the next stop.